Hi friend, well as you can see, our homeschool room is in desperate need of a reset to be ready for our school week this coming week. I pulled out tons of our curriculum and portfolios in storage so that I could share some of the curriculum that we've used with a friend this past week, and so I need to take some time to put all of that back away and tidy up our room so that we're ready for homeschooling this week. So you're welcome to join me today as I clean and tidy up our schoolroom and prep for this coming school week. Alright, so I've got the rest of the floor tidied and picked up and the things put on the table to be sorted or in this massive pile over here. These things need to all be packed back away. I pulled out a bunch of our kindergarten curriculum, like I said, for a friend, and I wanted to show her all the different things that we did, and so I just ransacked our closet, our storage closet, and pulled it all out. And now I need to go back through and put the things in the bins where they belong, and then put the bins back in the closet. So it will feel really nice when those things are out of here and back in the place where they belong. think I'm finally done cleaning up, tidying this room, and I'm ready for our homeschool week. I have a little bit of grading that I will need to do, some math papers I need to check, and that sort of thing. But other than that, everything else is put back where it belongs, and I'm ready for a new school week. I hope you enjoyed watching today. If you did, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Born for Homeschool if you want weekly videos on tips and tricks, information, and encouragement to support you in your homeschool. Thanks again for watching today, and I will see you again in next week's video.